Introduction to SiSTeCATI. Welcome everyone. Today we are introducing SiSTeCATI, a comprehensive suite of AI-powered video tools. Our mission is to enhance every stage of your learning and development process, whether you are focused on educational instruction or corporate training. Beyond ephemeral lectures. The traditional model of learning often relies on ephemeral live lectures that vanish once the session ends. With SiSTeCATI, we move beyond that. We capture, enhance, and transform your instructional content from both corporate and educational sectors into permanent, high-value assets that can directly feed into micro-credentialing programs. The seamless workflow. Our system operates as one seamless workflow, following the content from the moment an instructor speaks to the final published courseware. This journey happens in 3 distinct stages: during the session with live interpretation, immediately after with recorded video enhancement, and finally through a full transformation into structured courseware. Stage 1. Live Video AI Interpretation. Stage 1 occurs in real time. Our live video AI interpretation engine allows you to achieve global reach the exact second your training begins. You can choose between a fully automated mode or co-pilot assistance to provide instant translation and interpretation for live sessions, presentations, or webinars in multiple languages like English, Spanish, French, and Chinese. Stage 2. Recorded video enhancement and translation. Once the session is recorded, we move to Stage 2. SiSTeCATI upgrades your existing or freshly recorded videos using AI-driven speech refinement to ensure professional audio clarity. Simultaneously, it automatically generates multilingual translations and subtitles, making your content ready to serve distributed audiences online. Stage 3. Automated courseware development. In Stage 3, we effortlessly transform those enhanced video files and raw slide decks into polished, engaging training materials. By automating the creation of structured learning modules, SiSTeCATI eliminates weeks of manual instructional design and authoring work. The L&D efficiency shift. To understand the value, look at the efficiency shift. Traditional L&D is limited to a single language and local audience with tedious manual post-production. The SiSTeCATI engine provides real-time multilingual interpretation, instant AI speech refinement, and converts what was once an ephemeral event into permanent, structured courseware. The micro-credentialing engine. This creates a continuous cycle of value we call the micro-credentialing engine. From a single live performance, SiSTeCATI captures, refines, and translates the material to build certified micro-credentials. This systematically builds a permanent library of value for your organization, looping from live training to online sharing and back into formal credentialing initiatives. Conclusion and call to action. It's time to deploy your L&D Copilot. Enhance every stage of your learning and development process by contacting SiSTeCATI SDN, PhD. Today, we look forward to helping you transform your instructional content.